Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Perillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Google Chrome, the web browser you're probably using right now, or have used at least at one point in the past 24 hours. Am I wrong? You're using another browser? Really? Okay, fine. Well, they're moving forward, Google, by way of Chrome, with a certain feature that will allow for targeted ads based on your web browsing history. Is this a good thing? Is it a bad thing? If I'm seeing ads that I find relevant to me, I don't see that as a bad thing. Unfortunately, a lot of the web browsing that I do is scattershot. Like, there's nothing organized about my web browsing at all. So I'm a little concerned about what's going to pop up with this feature, and so I'm looking to potentially opt out, which you can do in the new ad privacy settings within Google Chrome. Of course, you don't have to use Google Chrome if you don't want to. There are so many other browsers to use, but a lot of people do use Google Chrome with a variety of plugins, at least on the desktop and potentially, on mobile. Scrolling performance improved, I think, with 1.16 on up, at least on Android, mirroring the more fluid browser experience you might find on iOS. So anyway, it's a little nugget of information if, we're going to be talking about Google Chrome at the moment. I know so many of you are likely going to be upset about this because I know many of you block ads. It's a given that we block ads. Well, now this feature could make those ads better. Do you want better ads? If you had to choose. I'm not saying, ads versus no ads, because I think the answer to that is obvious. But would you rather have personalized ads or not? Is your web browsing a lot like mine, where it's all over the web and not about any one thing, or not? I really don't know what to think about this yet. Time will tell.